Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video. In today's video, we will learn about the crucial role of pitch angle sensor in construction machinery, specifically bulldozers. This sensor is key to ensuring precision and stability on the job. Start. What is a pitch angle sensor? First off, what exactly is a pitch angle sensor? It measures the angle of a machine relative to the horizontal plane. This is crucial for heavy machinery like bulldozers, where maintaining balance is essential for safety and efficiency. How does it work in bulldozers? Bulldozers operate in varied terrains, often on slopes or uneven ground. Pitch angle sensors use accelerometers and gyroscopes to provide real-time data on the machine's orientation. This data helps operators adjust the bulldozer's position, preventing tipping and ensuring optimal performance. Benefits of pitch angle sensors in bulldozers. So, why are pitch angle sensors so important in bulldozers? Here are some key benefits. 1. Enhanced stability. They help maintain the bulldozer's stability on slopes, reducing the risk of accidents. 2. Improved precision. Operators can achieve greater accuracy in grading and leveling tasks. Increased efficiency. 3. With real-time feedback, bulldozers can operate more efficiently, saving time and resources. The future of pitch angle sensors in construction. The future of pitch angle sensors in construction machinery is bright. With advancements in technology, we can expect even smarter sensors that integrate with AI, providing predictive analytics for maintenance and operation. Thanks for joining us today to learn about pitch angle sensors in bulldozers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into construction technology. Let us know in the comments how you think these sensors can improve operations or what topics you want us to explore next. We're always looking forward to hearing from you.